Hi, this is Mark Gaston with Impact Church Websites, and I want to take a few minutes today to show you how to add a welcome page or a landing page to your Facebook page for your business, organization, or ministry. So I'm looking at one of my Facebook pages now, and to illustrate what I'm talking about, I have this little tab here that's added here called Make an Impact. So if I click on that, it brings you to this page here where it brings up an opt-in with a video.
I have a question for you today.
And you've probably seen this a lot of times when you visit Facebook pages. You'll come to a welcome page or something along this line that maybe has information or even an opt-in as we have here. So I want to show you how to do that. So the website that you have to visit to be able to do this is developers.facebook.com. And once you're logged, you have to be logged in, obviously, and you have to be a part of the Facebook developers. But when you get to this page, what you would have to do is come to this tab here that says Apps. And basically, in order to put one of those tabs on your page that people can be directed to when they visit your site, you have to set up a Facebook app in order to be able to do that. So I'm going to come to this page here. It has all of my accounts listed, but I'm going to create a new app. And I'm going to call this the Fiction Church app. And that's the display name, which is what's going to show up if anybody searches it, which you probably won't want people to do that if you're using it for your own private purposes, like a tab on your page only. And then you also have to define a namespace, which cannot have any spaces in it. You have to put dashes there. So they're both available, valid and available. So I'm going to agree to the Facebook platform policies and continue. And it's going to bring me to a CAPTCHA where I'm going to have to prove that I'm a human being. Let me click submit here and then give it just a moment here. It'll take a few seconds to actually create your app and get it up and running for you. But here we go. So now we have a brand new app. You didn't know creating an app in Facebook was so easy, did you? You've got a lot of different options here, but all you really need to do is just jump down here to where it says Page tab. We're going to actually add a Page tab. And it's very simple. You can give a name to it. For instance, this name will be like it said, Welcome to Impact Church Websites over on the tab on my Impact Church Websites page. I'm just going to put here Welcome to Fiction Church. There we go. And then I'm going to put a URL in here. Basically what it is whenever Facebook displays this tab on your page, it's going to pull content from an external web page that's going to put on that page. Now the purpose of this instruction is not to show you how to design that page, it's just show you how to put it and get it up there and on actually showing in Facebook. So I'm just going to pick one of my URLs here. I'm going to do the Impact Church Websites Facebook sign up. Also do the same one here. It asks for a secure page, but I can tell you if you don't have a secure server for whatever web page you're using, you can still put your regular web address in there and it'll work just fine. So, all right, we're going to, don't worry about the page tab edit URL because you're not going to need to edit it. And we're going to click save those changes. Okay, so now we have the app set up. Now we have to go and actually add the app to the page that you want it to appear on. So you're going to go over here in the related links side over here. You're going to go to the View App Profile page. It's going to bring up this page right here. And you can click over here on the left, Add to My Page. And at that point, it's going to bring up a list of your pages. And here's the Fiction Church page that we created in an earlier video. I'm going to add it to that page. And close this right here. And then let's jump back over to the Fiction Church page. And let's see what's happened here. Oh, now as you can see right over here, here is the tab, Welcome to Fiction Church. And if you'll simply click on that, it'll show you that it's the same landing page that I use on the Facebook page for, and you can put whatever web page you want to. And that web page has to be designed with the dimensions and things that fit inside of the space here that Facebook gives you, but that's basically what you do. The next thing you want to do is you're going to want to edit this page. Let me just click out of that. Let me go over here to the Get Started, and we're going to go to Edit Page right here. Here's the next thing you have to do. On page visibility, on the Manage Permissions page, when you go to the settings, you're going to go over here and change your default landing tab to Welcome to Fiction Church. by doing this, whenever someone visits your page for the first time, it makes sure the very first page they're directed to before they like your page is that tab that you've distinguished. So we're going to save that, and what that'll do is that will cause when everyone comes, any new people come to your site, they'll be brought right to your tab. So that's basically how you add that. So I hope this has been helpful.